Hello listeners, welcome to the 18th Hindi Jane session. Today in this session, we are going to see 10 three-letter words and 8 spoken Hindi sentences. Shall we start? Yes. Ka-la-im kalam. Kalam is a pen in English and pena in Tamil. Sha-ha-it shahad. Shahad is the honey in English and tain in Tamil. Ma-tha-ir matar is a peas in English and patani in Tamil. Ba-tha-ik batak is the duck in English and vatu in Tamil. Ka-ma-il kamal. Kamal is a lotus in English and tamarai in Tamil. Naga-ir nagar. Nagar is a city in English and nagaram in Tamil. Ma-ga-ir magar is a crocodile in English and mudalai in Tamil. Jahaj is a ship in English and kappal in Tamil. Fa-sa-il fasal. Fasal is a crop in English and pair in Tamil. Daga-ir dagar is a road in English and salai in Tamil. For a small recap, the Hindi words once again: kalam, shagad, matar, batak, kamal, nagar, magar, jahaj, fasal, dagar. Now it's time to look on to the spoken Hindi sentences. Hilo mat. Hilo ma et mat. Don't move. Nagarade. Chillavo ma et chillavo mat. Don't shout. Sattam podade. Bilkul sahi. Bilkul sahi. It's right. Idu sari. Pair ma et mat gasito. Pair mat gasito. Don't drag. Kalai tekade. Nahane ka samai hai. It's time to bath. Idu kulikkum neram. अपने जूते पहनो अपने जूते पहनो. Wear your shoes. காலணிகளை அணி. तमीज से बात करो. तमीज से बात करो. Behave yourself. ஒழுங்காக நடந்து கொள். कपड़ा बदलो. Change your dress. कपड़ा बदलो. உடைகளை மாற்றிக்கொள். For a small recap, spoken Hindi sentences again. हिलो मत, चिल्लाओ मत, बिल्कुल सही, पैर मत घसीटो, नहाने का समय है, अपने जूते पहनो, तमीज से बात करो, कपड़ा बदलो. हिंदी जानो, हिम्मत बढ़ाओ. Learn Hindi to bring up your courage. Thanks for your patient listening, and now it's bye from Rajeshwari for Arivalai podcast led by Bharati Educational Institutions, Redipatti Namakkal. Thank you. Stay blessed.